Windshield Scratch Remover by Scratch Genie. The best windshield scratch remover, and windscreen scratch repair kit. We give you 2 syringes of Scratch Genie, diamond polishing paste, one 20mm round felt polishing appliance, and an 8mm round felt polishing appliance. This is a bonus tool and may be used to remove scratches from watch faces, reading and sunglasses and cell phones. The 20mm polishing appliance has a round metal shank that can be used by hand if required, but normally it's used in a power appliance. So, to repair car windshield with the windshield scratch removal paste, open up the Scratch Genie windshield scratch remover kit, connect to the power drill. Apply a small amount of Scratch Genie to the windshield scratch, place the polishing appliance into the power drill, and with small light pressure, cover the area around the scratch, as shown in the windscreen repair kit video. Caution is needed during the windscreen repair, as this friction on the windshield causes a great amount of heat. Excess heat can cause the windscreen to crack, so keep checking for excess heat build-up, and allow the windshield to cool down before continuing with your do-it-yourself windshield repair kit work. After several passes, see how successful the windshield scratch removal kit has been, and where needed, repeat the Scratch Genie windshield scratch repair until the windshield is completely clear. Now just clean up by using a wet sponge and kitchen toweling. Now if you can give me a thumbs up, click subscribe, and hit the bell, you will be notified of the next video. To watch more videos now, just click in one of the boxes above.